We'll guide you through how to create a Google account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
So let's get started. First, open any browser to your liking. In my case, I'm just gonna go with Google and search for google.com. After you are in google.com, just look at the top right corner of your screen, and here you will see your profile picture icon. Just go ahead and tap on that. From here, if you are already logged in into a Google account, you will see your current account details here. That's completely fine. From here, just click on show more accounts and just click on add another account. And in this interface, as we are creating a new account, we will just click on create account, and you can choose it for your personal use or your business use. And in my case, I'm just gonna go with my personal use. And now you have to enter your first name and last name. So I'll just enter my name like so and click on next. Now just enter your birthday and choose your gender. Just click on the drop down and select any from the options. In my case, I'm just gonna go with male and click on next. Now you will be prompted to create your email address. You will see some pre-existing or pre-made email address based on your name that you provided, and you can even create your own Gmail address. In my case, I'm just gonna go with the one that is created for me like so and click on next. From here, you will be prompted to create your password. Just create your password, and after creating your password, make sure it is a strong password with a mix of letter, number, and symbols. You can even add uppercase and lowercase letter for more stronger password. And just click on next. From here, you will be able to review your account info. Just click on next and scroll all the way down and just click on I agree. And now our account will be successfully created. To log in into our new account, we just have to click on our profile and click on show more account and scroll down, and you will see our new account that we created is here. So I'll just click on it and we will be logged in into that account. With your new account, you can now access a lot of useful services like Gmail for emails, YouTube for videos, Google Drive for storage, Google Photos for backup, and many more. It basically gives you access to the entire Google ecosystem. And if this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more simple and easy to follow tutorials like this. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.